Lesson Explanation. The children made a bunch of flowers to give to Tai on Teacher's Day. Tony, Sonu, Salma, John and Nandu each brought 2 flowers and Sonu tied them together. Tai: Lovely! What a big bunch of flowers! And so pretty! How many flowers are there in it altogether? Tony: 2 flowers from each of the 5 of us makes a total of 10 flowers. John: 2 flowers each from 5 of us means taking 2, 5 times and adding them together, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Tai: 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is written as 2 multiplied by 5. 10 is called the product of 2 and 5. Now here are some pictures. Let us count the number of fruits in them. Sonu: 4 lemons in each row and 2 such rows. Twice 4 is 8 lemons. Twice 4 is taking 4 2 times and adding them. Tony: 4 cucumbers in a row and 4 such rows. 4 times 4, so 16 cucumbers. Salma: 4 guavas in a row and 3 such rows is 3 times 4, which is 12. John: 4 mangoes in a row and 10 such rows. 10 times 4 or 40 mangoes. Multiplication. Tony, Sonu, Nandu, Salma. If each of them has 3 balls, how many balls together? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. An addition of 3 taken 4 times is 4 times 3. That is, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 threes are 12. In the same way, fill in the boxes in the example below. 6 mangoes in each basket. How many mangoes in 3 baskets? 6 plus 6 plus 6 means 3 times 6. In other words, 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. Children are standing in 7 groups of 3 children each. How many children are there altogether? 7 times 3, 3 sevens. 21. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. One notebook costs ₹5. How much will 9 such notebooks cost? An addition of 5 taken 9 times means 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45. Hence the cost of 9 notebooks is ₹45. Tai: Tables are nothing but series of multiplications. Later on, we shall use tables to carry out multiplications of large numbers. Let us recite the 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times tables. Multiplication. In the form of objects, as an addition, how many times, as multiplication, total number of objects. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2, 5 times, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5, 5 twice, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 5 times, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 3 times, 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 6 times, 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 6 times, 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60. 6 times table. 1, 6 ones, 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6. 2. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. 6 twos are 12. 3. 6 thrice. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 6 threes are 18. 4. 6 four times. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 6 fours are 24. 5. 6 five times. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 6 fives are 30. 6. 6 six times. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. 6 sixes are 36. 7. 6 seven times. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. 6 sevens are 42. 8. 6 eight times. 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. 6 eights are 48. 9. 6 nine times. 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. 6 nines are 54. 10. 6 ten times. 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. 6 tens are 60.